Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make snow fungus soap. Let's start. Firstly, immerse 20 g the peach gum, 20 g Gleditsia Sinensis for 12 hours. After 12 hours, we wash the peach gum and Gleditsia Sinensis. Because the peach gum is from the trees, that will have some impurities after it curdles. Then dry peach gum, Gleditsia Sinensis, and save them for later. Then wash 10 g Goji berry, dry and save them for later. Now we should pour some water to immerse help dry snow fungus for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut off and discard the hard edge of the snow fungus. Then cut the snow fungus into small parts and wash it, save it for later. After preparing all of the ingredients, we can start to cook this food. Pour peach gum, Gleditsia Sinensis, snow fungus, 10 g dried lily bulb, tulip dates, goji berries into the rice cooker. Then add 1005 ml water into the cooker and use soft fire to cook it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. After 1 hour and 20 minutes, add 60 g crystal rock sugar into the rice cooker. Stir to make the sugar melt. After 10 minutes, the sweet soap is finished. In a bowl of this soap while it's a little hot, and it will taste very sweet. If you like the cold type, you can put it on your refrigerator. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problem, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food. Bye.